This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system.
Whether you are isolated in a jail cell like Joseph, isolated in your home or in your mind, God has a plan for your life.
Has climbed to at least 205 people.
California is now under a statewide stay-at-home order, the first state to take that step.
You may have to be isolated for a time, but God hasn't isolated you to harm you. He isolated you to save you.
Of our interdependence that requires of this moment that we direct a statewide order for people to stay at home.
Your isolation is not meant to kill you, but to save you. To save us, God must separate us. You've been separated for salvation.
This concludes this emergency broadcast system test.